Good morning everyone children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to maths class. Okay, now everyone open studio page number 20. So in the last class we completed 2.4. So now open everyone page number 20 and let us see 2.6. Numbers are formed using the given color code. So here given some color codes. So here red for thousands, green for hundreds and maroon for tens and yellow for ones. So write the numbers and their number names in the given space. So here given some number codes. Here we have to observe these codes and write the numbers and write the number names. Okay, now everyone check here first. How many red dots are given here? Here given 1. So red for 1000. Okay, red for 1000. Now we have to write number and number name. So here let us check first how many red dots are here. Red for 1000 and here only one red dot is there. So write 1000 and check how many green dots are given here. Here 3 green dots are there. So green for 100. So it is 300. And let us check how many red dots are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is 5 times. And let us check how many yellow dots are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is the given number. So now we have to write the number name. So how many thousands are here? 1000. How many thousands are here? 1000. And how many hundreds? 300. How many hundreds? 300 and 56 and 56. So here it is the number and it is the number name. Okay children, now here first one completed and second one do the homework and send to me. So next. Next, face value and place value of the numbers. So we discussed already what is face value. Face value means value of the digit itself. Okay children, face value means value of the digit itself. So the face value of the digits are given on the roof of each house. Fill in the blanks in each house with the place value of the digits. So here given houses, 3 houses, hundreds, tens and 1. So here given on the roof of the each house. The face values are given on the roof of the each house. So this is first house and this is second house. This is third house. So here it is hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So here the face values are given on the roof of the house. So here it is 4, 6 and 2. Okay children. So these are houses. So here face values are given on the roof of the each house. So here in hundreds place 4, in tens place 6 and in ones place 2. Here we have to write the place values of the each house. Okay children, here we have to write place values of the each house. Here face value is given. So here this 4 shows here 400. Okay children, this 4 shows here 400. So the place value of 4 is 400. Here this is shows 400. So you have to write the name place value here and here 6. So here this 6 shows 6 tens are here. Okay, 6 tens means 60. Okay, the place value of 6 is 60 and here 2 ones. So the place value of 2 is 2. So here these are face values and these are place values. Face value means just you have to write the value of the digit. But when coming to the place value, observe the place where the number is here. So here 4 is in the 100 place. So the place value of 4 is 400 and here 6 is in the tens place. The place value of 6 is 60 and here 2 is in the ones place. So the place value of 2 is 2. So here the face value of a digit helps to know the place value of a number. So now here we'll go with one example. Give the places. It is ones place, it is tens place, it is hundreds place and it is thousands place. Okay children, so here ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here these are the place. These all are places and now here these are face value. Here these are face value. So here face value of 4 is 4, face value of 9 is 9, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 5 is 5. So now we write the place value. Now we write the place value. So what is the place value of 5 children? Here 5 is in the thousands place. So it is 5,000. Here 3 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 3 is 300. And here 9 is in the tens place. So the place value of 9 is 90. 4 is in the ones place. So the place value of 4 is 4. Okay children, so here these all are the places and these are face values and these all are the place values. So here you have to write this place values. You have to write this place values as sum to get the expanded form. So here 5,000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 4. So here this form is called expanded form of the number. Okay children, here it is. This is expanded form of a number. So expanded form of a number used to know the value of the each digit. Yes or no? Yes. Here the expanded value of the number helps to know the value of the each digit. You have to write sum of the place values to get the expanded form. Okay children, so now everyone observe 2.8. So now I am reading the question. Write the place and face value of the numbers that are in red. So write the expanded form of the number. One is done for you. So here given one number and in that number one number is colored. So in the digit here we have to write place and face value and place value and expanded form of a number also. Okay, now everyone open page number 2. So here it is the given number and here it is the colored digit. So here I underline this number. So here we have to write 800. Next we have to write the expanded form of the number. So here 9 is in thousands place means 9000 plus 8 is in 100 place means 800 plus 5 is in tens place means 50 plus 9 is in ones place, it is 59. Okay children, here we have to write place. Here 8 is in the hundreds place and face value of 8 is 8 and write place value of 8. Here 8 is in the 100 place. So the place value of 8 is 800. And next we have to write expanded form. So how to write expanded form? If you write sum of the place value. So here I written sum of the place value. So this is expanded form. So next here 3 more there. So everyone do remaining 3 as homework and send to me. Okay children, so this is about today's class. Thank you.